Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix mouse wheel scrolling in the wrong way, or inverted direction, on your Mac. So this is actually a feature called natural scrolling, and thankfully it is very easy to change. The process is straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So the setting we need to change is located in your Mac's system settings, and it's very easy to find. What you'll do is click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen, and then from the drop-down menu that will appear, click System Settings. In the System Settings window, simply scroll down on the left sidebar until you find the option called Mouse. Simply look for it. It is usually at the very bottom. Now, click on that. Now that you are inside the mouse settings, you are at the final step. You will see a few options over here, from tracking speed to scroll speed. But the one that you're looking for is the toggle switch named Natural Scrolling. By default, the switch will be turned on or it will be turned blue. To fix your inverted mouse scroll, all you have to do is simply turn this feature off like this. And when the feature is turned gray, that means the inverted mouse scroll is fixed, and you can immediately try scrolling on a website, or you can simply scroll over here in the settings menu to check that out. So one important note, this setting will also affect your trackpad. Turning off natural scrolling for your mouse will also turn it off on your Mac's trackpad, so you might feel a little strange at first. Unfortunately, there is no built-in way to separate them, but it's something most people get used to very quickly. So that's it. You now know how to invert the scrolling direction of your mouse on a Mac. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.